This is January 9th, 2024. It's been windy all day, all night. And I happened to look out the window at this cherry tree that I cleaned up a couple days ago and made a video about. And I'm walking out here to see what's happened today. I think this will, I'll make this for the Wagoner landscaper again. Here's my fence. And I had cleaned everything up, and this is the sawdust of it. Now, these here aren't from this tree up here. They're from this bush. I cleaned up everything. I cleaned up all the little branches and everything. This big branch fell down right here. What are you doing, cat? Hi, Lunar. It's neighbor's cat. $800 cat. So I'm going to have to get out my chainsaw again. And cat, I will have to pull this off the fence and chop it up. I wanted to show this to the big pink mansion's landscape service. When I got up this morning, I thought something like this might happen. Thank God it didn't damage the fence. It did hit it, but it didn't damage anything. And the cat, the trees are the cherry tree right here. It's lightweight as far as it's not full of water and anything like that. I'm just afraid that's going to come down right there. So as soon as it gets nicer out, I'm gonna I'm gonna get my chainsaw and my little works over here, and I'll chop up some more wood. I'm just making this for Wagoner to show you. You can see this one branch up here. This one is just cat. Come on. This right here is just hanging by a thread. It's going to come down. It could come down today. I don't know. It's not a real big deal as far as I'm not worried about it. As far as following my property or it has to be cleaned up or anything like that. I'm just worried that it'll wreck my brand new fence I put up a year ago. Cat. Anyway, I'm going to go back inside. It's cold out. And it's really windy right now. maybe it'll fall down piece by piece. I don't know. We'll see. Cat, don't do that. I can't balance this camera in this by myself. It's broken right there. This other part's gonna break pretty quickly. I don't know about the rest of it. We'll see. The fence isn't damaged, which I'm glad. Well, I mean the back 8-foot, 300-foot long fence that is the Pink Mansions. I just don't want to see it damaged.